Want me to spell it out for you?
To make this custard, you will need some tablespoons, the custard mix, a bowl, a regular spoon, some sugar, and 2 cups of milk. Next, take the milk, sugar, and tablespoons with you. Put a pot on the stove and turn the heat up to medium. Pour the 2 cups of milk into the pot, but just save a little bit because we're going to use that after. Then you add 4 tablespoons of sugar, as you can see. And mix well. Then go back and grab the rest. Then open the custard mix and put 2 tablespoons of it into the bowl. And wait for your milk to boil. In the meantime, add a little bit of your milk into the bowl. It'll be kind of a tiny bit of a weird texture, but just keep on adding your milk inside. Until it becomes into a nice thin paste. And add that mixture into the pot. And then keep mixing for a few minutes. And then keep mixing every 5 minutes for 20 minutes. If you did this correctly, by now you should have a nice thick paste. Next, put the custard into the bowl. For a better texture, take a fork and just move around in the custard and grab any chunk. This part's totally optional, but if you want to make a cool design, you will need a bowl, a cheese shredder, and some almonds. And then just shred them. Next, put the custard in the fridge for about half an hour. This is optional again, but just if you want to decorate it a little bit more, you can just cut up a banana and put it on. And now, all we have to do is decorate. So just sprinkle your crushed almonds on the custard. And your bananas.